Hi guys, welcome back to HAL Fossils, and today I'm doing an unboxing from the Evolution store. I recently ordered 5 shark teeth. 1 from the bull shark Carcharodontis leucas, 1 from the tiger shark Galeocerdo cuvier, and 3 from the short-fin mako Isurus oxyrhynchus. So, let's get to unboxing. Oh, and these are not fossils. So I'm also really excited about that. Ooh, yes. Okay, let's go for tiger shark. There we go. Yeah. That is from Galeocerdo cuvier. It's actually really light. That is a non-fossilized tiger shark tooth. So these little serrations right here, they're actually serrated. This is the only tiger shark species living, and they're actually really cool. They're in a group called Carcharodoniform sharks, so they're in the same group as bull sharks, reef sharks, snaggletooth sharks, but that's really cool. Next, let's go for the bull shark. Carcharodontis leucas. Ooh, yeah, that's big. That's a really nice one. Lower jaw position, that's serrated, sharp serrations. That's a nice bull shark tooth. And the 3 Isurus oxyrhynchus. So, yeah, these are my favorite shark. And it looks like they're all upper jaw teeth, which is pretty cool. So these are mako shark, short-fin mako. Makos are the fastest shark that's alive, and these are some really awesome teeth. I love makos. Well, these are some amazing shark teeth. I hope you guys enjoyed them, because I did. Thanks for watching. Bye.